Hey everybody, welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. I know it's been a while. I think the last one I did was about a year ago. Anyway, not to waste your time, let's get to it. We just have here a black strip. It's supposed to represent like filling up with thumbnails, like a scrolling thumbnails. Yeah, so if we click on each thumbnail, then it becomes bigger. And then we can cycle through these images in the background, okay, by just clicking on each picture. Just keep clicking and it cycles through, which is pretty good, right? Nice effect, wouldn't you say? All right. Doesn't matter which picture you start with. You can start with, let's say we start with this middle one. Just cycle through. Just cycles through. Or we can start from here, cycle through. All right. So let's see the code. Well, here's the HTML. Nice and easy, real short. I hate fancy stuff. I probably say that a lot, but anyway, I just want to really tell you guys I really hate fancy stuff. Just get to the point. Okay, CSS, boom. When I mean fancy stuff, I mean like fading, sliding, all those are just freaking annoying. But anyway, that's just my opinion. Okay, so here we go. Here's the JavaScript code that activates all those. So first thing we have here is our array of pictures. These pictures, you can populate them with, with your images locally or dynamically using server software such as PHP or ASP.NET. Okay, and this can scale from 1 all the way to 1,000,000 pictures. Obviously, what matters will be your your bandwidth. But the first time you load it up, and the browser caches pictures, so the second time it'll be so much faster. Okay, first thing we do is we display the image, obviously. Okay, we're using JavaScript to display the images right here, which is sort of good because you force the user to use JavaScript, and if they turn off the JavaScript, all these images disappear, which is in a way security, because you could use JavaScript to disable, using the print screen button. That gives me an idea. Oh well. Alright, so go back to the code. So this is just to display the image. Alright, the next function just enlarges it. Okay, it enlarges it, okay, and then also centers it by calling this function center image. Now what is that center image? The center image centers the image based on the size of the current image. So it does this dynamically. Okay. The next function is hide image. This just simply hides it, just like the name says. And then this is the function that cycles through. Okay, so as you click on this, as you click on each image, it calls this function. How do I know? Because I put it in here, right here, next image. So in other words, it's calling itself as you keep clicking. So it's like a recursive loop, sort of. And this is just to mimic jQuery, just so I don't have to keep typing document that get element by ID. So I could just wrap that around, using a function and wrap it around it. So all I have to do is just type this anywhere. Okay, and this is just to fire the first function to display the images. So hope you guys like it. I've been getting a lot of messages for people wanting to download the files. So what I've done is I've set up a file server for you guys to download these files. They're all wrapped around they're all in a zip file, so just click on the link in the description and you should be able to download it. I think YouTube allows it. Well, that's okay. Anyway, see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye.